guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do a perfect winged liner. So let's get started. I'm using a felt tip liquid liner. You can use any other eyeliner that you have. I'm starting from the center and I'm drawing small strokes and dragging it towards the outer corner of my eye, making sure that there are no gaps between the lash line and the liner. And then I'm moving on to the inner half of my eye and I'm connecting the liner up to my tear duct. Next, for the wing, I'm drawing a line taking a gauge from the end of my lower lash line and I'm drawing the line diagonally upwards towards the end of my brow. And then I'm making a small triangular shape and joining it with my liner. And finally, I'm filling in the triangle to complete the wing. You can thicken the liner a bit if you wish to. I'm just making it a bit thicker. And that is the finished winged liner. I hope you all liked this video and found it useful. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.